Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay to send money. It's a fantastic feature that lets you quickly and securely transfer funds to friends and family directly from your iPhone. We'll cover everything from setting up your Apple Cash card to sending and receiving payments in the Messages app. This guide will make sending money with Apple Pay simple and straightforward, ensuring you can manage your finances with ease. Let's dive in and get started. Before you can start sending or receiving money, you'll need to set up your Apple Cash card. This is a quick and easy process that you can complete right in your Wallet app. Simply open the Wallet app, tap on the Apple Cash card, and follow the prompts to verify your identity. You'll also link a debit card, which will be used for your transactions. Once set up, you're ready for seamless money transfers. Sending money is incredibly simple once Apple Cash is active. Just open the Messages app and select the conversation with the person you want to pay. Tap the Apple Pay button, which looks like a blue circle with a dollar sign, and enter the amount you wish to send. Confirm the transaction using your Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. It's a secure and instant way to share funds with anyone in your contacts. When someone sends you money, it automatically appears on your Apple Cash card in the Wallet app. You have several convenient options for using these funds. You can spend your Apple Cash balance anywhere Apple Pay is accepted, whether in stores, within apps, or online. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can easily transfer your balance directly to your bank account. It's all about flexibility and control over your money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.